Hi friends, for our letter center today, we're going to work on the letter sounds for E and F. Now remember, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top. Then I'm going to practice writing or tracing the letters E and F. So for E, I'm going to pull a straight line down. I'm going to frog jump back to the top, pull across at the top, across in the middle, across at the bottom. Lowercase e, I'm going to pull across first and then come around. Okay, so again, capital E, straight line down, frog jump back to the top, pull across the top line, across the middle line, across the bottom line. Okay, lowercase e, straight line across, and then make your curve. Capital E, straight line down, frog jump back to the top, across the middle, and across the bottom. And then lowercase e, pull straight across, and then come around to make your curve. Let's do our F's. So capital F, straight line down, then we're going to frog jump back to the top, across at the top, across in the middle. For lowercase f, we're going to pull our hook around and down and across in the middle. Okay, capital F, straight line down, frog jump back to the top, pull across at the top, across in the middle. Lowercase f, we're going to make our curve, come down and across in the middle. Capital F, straight line down, frog jump back to the top, across in the middle. Lowercase f, curve our hook around and down and across in the middle. Okay, now friends, remember E is a vowel. It's going to have two sounds. We're going to hear either like elephant, or we might hear E like eagle. Now F has one sound. We're going to hear. So let's check our pictures. We have fish, egg, elephant, foot, elf, feather, eagle, fork. So I'm going to cut out my picture strip and do one with you. Remember, I'm neatly cutting out on the line. Then I'm going to cut out the picture of the fish. And I'm going to really say that beginning sound. Fish. I hear at the beginning of fish. I'm going to open my glue, put it up just a little bit. Remember, just a dot, not a lot. I'm going to put a little glue. And I'm going to glue the fish by the F. Okay, friends, you're going to do the rest by yourself. So again, our pictures are egg, elephant, foot, elf, feather, eagle, fork. I will see you back in a little bit.